This is the KORG NTS1 digital kit. This is an interesting little device, and there's definitely more than meets the eye. It is a synthesizer. It's a DIY kit that you put together yourself pretty easily. I think even I could probably manage. And it's also meant to help developers, programmers to make custom oscillators for the Prolog and the Minilog. But it's really also a fun little synthesizer that pretty much anybody could use in a small setup. The synth engine is quite interesting. There's a couple of different waveforms, saw, triangle, square. You can shape them. This is made to be similar to the Minilog and the Prolog's shape knob. There's also an optional sub in some cases, so you can have a sub oscillator, add some bass. This is actually different from the Minilog and Prolog. It's a monophonic synth. It also have a very simplified VPM oscillator. That's the digital one from the Minilog XD. You could of course load user oscillators. It has stereo sound, even though it's a monophonic synth. It has a filter, you have EG with different modes. You can actually loop the EG, which is really cool, and you'll hear a couple of examples further in the video. And yeah, there's an effects section, like on the Minilog, but with fewer presets, plus some custom slots. You can use an LFO to modulate pitch or the shape. And yeah, the filter got a linear sweep. It's sort of a set curve for the filter. There's also an arpeggiator with multiple settings for scales, pattern length as well. There's also an audio input with different routing feature. But now let's have a listen. But first, a word from my sponsor of the Superboot trip, Reverb.com. It's a great place to buy and sell used equipment, so go and check them out. There's a link in the description. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this coverage from Superbooth 19. I'm sponsored by Reverb.com, so if you want to go and sign up with their service, the link is in the description. You can buy and sell used equipment, also new stuff, as well as software over at Reverb.com. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later and see you in another video.